Hello students, this is CA Vishal Jain, your faculty for ACCA, FR and SBR paper. Guys, today I am here to help you with super 30 questions of ACCA, SBR. Now understand, many students are of the view that I will first of all, I will solve all the questions of BPP, then I will solve all the questions of Kaplan, then I will solve all the questions of ACCA Study Hub, then I will solve all the questions of ACCA Practice Platform. Guys, understand, the time is limited. Definitely we can't solve all the questions of SBR, okay, because SBR questions are quite lengthy. So what should be the right approach? Then understand, in ACCA SBR, even if you solve 1000 questions in the exam, something different will come up. So if you are thinking that if I solve all these questions, I will get a similar question in the exam, then you are wrong, my dear friend. Then why to solve questions? We have to solve questions so that we get to understand what is the right approach. How exactly I will understand the requirement, how exactly I will understand the case study, and how exactly I will draft my answer. Okay, I will practice sufficient questions so that my time management skill is managed. Okay, so for these reasons we need to solve questions. Now comes the question, which questions to solve? So my dear friends, I will give you the most important questions. Okay, for this you are neither required to go BPP practice kit, nor required to go Kaplan kit, nor required to go ACCA Study Hub. Then what? So you are required to just go to ACCA practice platform. ACCA practice platform. Then go to ACCA practice platform and solve these questions. March, June 2024 starting. First question which you will solve is this one. Then practice exam 1, then practice exam 2, then practice exam 4, then specimen paper 1, then specimen paper 2. So each exam will have 4 questions. So how many questions, tell me? 6 multiplied by 4 is 24 questions. Okay, now in September 23, question number 1 approach was changed, right? Question number 1 structure was changed and there was included a pre-populated screen. So ACCA has included 2 sample questions, sample question 1 and sample paper 2. So solve these 2 questions. So there are 2 questions, and for December 24 you have pre-mock December 24, so it will have 4 questions. So in total if you do, this comes to 30. So these are the 30 questions which you should be solving, which you must be solving. Now understand the approach. So when you are solving these questions, okay, so spend 3 hours 15 minutes in solving each of these questions so that you have that time management skill inbuilt in you. So if you solve these many papers, past papers, the time management will become inbuilt. Okay, automatically your mind will get directed to solve the paper, entire paper in the given time. Okay, now when you're solving the paper, few questions you will solve correctly, few questions you will solve wrong, or few questions you won't be able to solve. But understand, your intent should be, I have to give my best. When you are solving these questions, think that I am giving exam now. If this question would have come in the exam, I will give my best and solve this question. Okay, now the outcome will be 3, as I told. If it is correct, if it is wrong, or it can be you are not able to attempt it. If it is correct, ignore that. If it is wrong, or if it is if you are not able to answer it, then for these 2 outcomes, what you do, read the entire concept surrounding this question and then come back here and resolve that part where you made a mistake or you were not able to solve that question. Okay, so this way your entire concepts will be revised, plus you will understand a right approach to solve the questions as well. Okay, further, I have discussed SBR examiner report analysis. Okay, the link of that video will be there in the description box. So don't forget to watch that SBR examiner report analysis. In that 50 minutes, in that 50 minutes, I have guided what are the mistakes which you should avoid while solving a paper. Okay, in the exam. So don't forget to watch that video as well. Okay, I believe this video would have helped you. And if you need any further help from me in ACCA FR or SBR, do write in the comment box. Thank you guys. Bye.